In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Synthesia Screen Recorder. By the end, you'll have the extension installed, be logged in, and know exactly how to capture your screen and add it to a Synthesia video without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Chrome extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, which is where you install browser add-ons safely. If your browser asks you to sign in before adding anything, go ahead and log in so your extension can be installed and synced properly. In the store's search bar, type Synthesia AI Screen Recorder. Look for the official listing and check that it matches the tool you want. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm any prompts. You may see permissions requests and brief terms. Accept those so the recorder can access your screen and microphone when needed. After installation, consider pinning the extension to your toolbar so it's easy to find. Next, open your browser again and search for Synthesia. Click the official link to go to the platform's site. Once you're there, click Log In and access your account. When you're in, open an existing video project or start a new one, whichever fits your workflow. Having a project open makes it faster to place your new screen recording exactly where you want it later. When you're ready to capture, click the Synthesia icon in your browser's toolbar and choose Record. This launches the recording flow as a new standalone project context, so you can focus on the capture. Your browser may ask what to share: your entire screen, a specific window, or a single tab. Pick the option that best matches what you want viewers to see and allow access if prompted. Before you begin, select your audio input. Choose your microphone if you plan to record a live voiceover, or select No Microphone to skip live narration and rely on Synthesia's AI voices later. If you're using a mic, speak a few words to check levels and make sure you're in a quiet space. Start your recording and walk through your on-screen actions at a steady pace. When you're done, click Stop. Synthesia will automatically process your footage and add it to your current video, so you can immediately preview it and continue editing within your project. That's all there is to it. Extension installed, account ready, recording captured, and your clip placed right where it belongs.